Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. So, all the work's done, the layout is set, and your content is ready. But before the world sees it, you need to make sure everything is perfect. No room for any mistakes at all. Today, we are looking at the final steps in the Wix Harmony editor, previewing your work and hitting that publish button with confidence. In the Harmony editor, the preview mode is more than just a static view. At the top of the editor, click Preview to see how your site behaves in real time. Because Harmony uses a fluid engine, you can use the screen size slider over here to test exactly how your elements shift at every single pixel width, not just standard mobile or desktop views. Pretty neat. Before you go live, make sure every button works and leads to where they're supposed to. Check for any broken links as well and make sure your menu works and that all of your info is correct. Quick tip, make sure to note down all the items you need to work on so that you can remember to work on them when you get to the editor once again. Fix any mistakes that you find, preview your site once again to see if everything's been fixed. It's just a matter of trial and error until everything is perfect. Once you're satisfied, you're ready to hit that publish button on the top right. Also, one of the best parts about Harmony is its site history integration. Even after you publish, the editor saves a Harmony snapshot. If you decide to make major AI changes later and want to go back to a certain version of your website, you can restore it with just one click. To do that, just go to the Wix logo right over here, go to Site History, click Go to Site History over here, and another tab will open where you'll be able to view all of the previous versions of your website. Simply find the version that you want to restore, click on it, and click Restore. And just like that, your website will be restored to that specific version. All right, hope you found today's video of help. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks so much for watching. Hope to see you guys in the next video.